Hello, my 4th standard kids. Hi, welcome to the second term. Let us start this new term with a bright smile on our face. So, I am going to start my video class with the maths lesson. So, first lesson here in the second term will be geometry. Okay, let us learn the lesson very nicely. It's a very simple lesson. Already we have learned so much in geometry in the first term. So this we are going to do just an introduction to the symmetry only. So you all have seen this real activities like the leaf, the blades of the plants, wings of the butterflies, all that you have seen. So they all have this line of symmetry in their own way. So the leaves, when it is cut into two halves, so it has a line of symmetry. So the square has 4 lines of symmetry. So it is easy for you to understand here. The rectangle has both the opposite sides are equal when you separate it with a line into 2 equal parts. So here we are going to study about 2-dimension, 3-dimension figures. Okay, here all of you know 3-dimension means the height. That is the height of the figure. That is the top portion is seen for the figure in the drawn figure. We can see the top of the figure will be the 3-dimensional figures. For that you have some figures like cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, pyramid, all that are coming under the 3-dimensional figures. So next, let's move on to the next figures I have here. So that these are the figures of the mirror image. So suppose if I keep a mirror here, so this reflection will be this. So for the same will be the reflection the other side also. For example, if I keep a mirror for the A here, the same reflection will be the other side. So this for the E also the same reflection. So if suppose if you are folding this part of it, just like how you write in between the 2 ports like this. If you are writing A like this, you can easily fold the parts. So like that here also, here we have the E separation like that. Then the figures you have already seen in small classes. So this is the same figures given: butterfly, beetle nut, dragonfly, tortoise, all that. Now what is symmetry? We know, all of you know, the symmetry is a figure divided into 2 halves is called symmetry, line of symmetry. Okay, next we go on for the geometrical shapes. So the geometrical shapes, a square has 4 lines, rectangle has 2 lines. Then circle, indefinite symmetry lines. Any part you can cut the circle. Then for the equilateral triangle you have 3 lines of symmetry. So these are called as geometrical shapes. So in the geometrical shapes you have so many lines. So a heart, how can you divide? You can divide it into half. Then a parallelogram like this. Then a cylinder from the top to this. Then the same way for a curve line also. So this is the place of it. Now I have a small activity for you which is little interesting to see. Shall we see a pinwheel? Okay, all should have seen a pinwheel. So this pinwheel has 4 parts. Have you seen the pinwheel here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 this thing. Same way how the lines are divided. 1, 2. Okay, you can divide it this way, the 3 and 4. Okay, the 4 lines you can divide it in the pinwheel. So wherever directions you turn it, it will be that same 4 lines. Okay, whichever direction it can be, it can be changed into 4 directions. So first I change for this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 directions and 4 lines. You understand, children? This pinwheel, you can make an activity for yourself. So some of the real images for exercises I have given as homework. In the notes I will send it to you, photocopy of it, just to have a go through. Okay, so just to do the exercise in your classworks. Okay, this is 1.1 and then this is 1.3. Hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you. See you in the next maths class. Please learn tables for the numbers lesson, children, because there is a new term, lattice algorithm, which you should know the tables for you to understand this very nicely. So learn the tables, at least 15 tables you should know perfectly. Okay, learn very nicely and keep. I will see you with the lattice algorithm in the next class. As early as possible, I will make it for you to complete the maths portion early. See you. Bye.